Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2015 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z8548A. Only 17,000 miles on this local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Cherokee brand new, brilliant black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a two-tone leather interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power lift gate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional underfloor storage. And no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 17,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Easy to operate touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats and heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. Compass display, and that is of course where the backup camera is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Auto dimming mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates to an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.